It's me, Daniel. I'm on my mom's channel right now. For I don't know how many videos, but I'm gonna do a few videos about origami lessons. So if you want to learn on it, you can go ahead. So yeah, let's get started right away. I'm making a simple thing, the claw. Just this is it. Um, anyway, all that aside, let's get started. Okay, so you just want to get your average printer sheet, any sheet, but it can be construction. So what you want to do is, well, for the next few videos, I'm going to be demonstrating, like, we call this the hot dog fold because it's the longer length,
And I could totally see a wiener in there.
and we call this the hamburger fold.
Oh, okay.
So first start off with a hamburger fold. Make sure that it's lined up.
No, correct me if I'm wrong. Is origami originally Japanese?
Don't know. Never really studied the history.
Okay.
Okay, so you open it up, and you see that the crease in the middle.
That's correct. The camera is picking that up, yeah.
So bring the middle and the top,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
match it up with the
So you're
middle.
folding it all the way to the crease right there,
Yes.
right? Okay.
And I don't know about you, but origami is known for symmetry.
I'm not known for symmetry. But origami is. Is that the...
Yes. So just duplicate that on the other side. Make sure that it's lined up perfectly, because if it's imperfect,
Then it won't be symmetrical, right?
No, it's gonna mess up the whole thing.
Alright.
Okay, so you made a triangle.
Looks like a circus tent.
So yeah, I guess you can call it a mini house.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to grab these corners and match it up to these lines.
Okay.
Are you picking that up?
Yeah, I can see that.
So it's not gonna go far. Don't worry. It's meant to be.
Okay,
like
right.
that.
So not quite halfway, it appears.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically a quarter of the way. So then you should kind of have a diamond if you flip it over.
Oh, yes, yeah.
So you
That
wanna,
does look like a girl's best friend.
Okay. You want to keep it on this side where all the folds are.
Uh-huh.
Make sure that they're on the same side. So with that line that you folded these corners on,
Uh-huh.
you want to fold that on it.
Oh, it looks like almost like a boat that you could sail.
Yeah. So you just get the triangle after.
Mm-hmm.
See, if you have a triangle, then you're good so far. Okay. So, and you also see that middle crease also, right?
Yeah, we still see that.
Take that, line it up to the middle. So, almost like a little paper airplane.
Oh, okay.
Because, I just thought of that.
Yeah, no. No, it looks like an angry bird without a face, just a beak.
Yeah, kind of. Okay, so, if some of you tend to do this, like when you roll up paper, that's what you're going to do with this. 1, 2. So after you do the second fold, you're going to notice this sticking out. You just want
Just
to...
move your hands just for a second.
Yeah, you're going to notice
Okay, that,
sticking out.
okay.
So you just want to crease that. It's okay if it gets out of the way. It's not gonna matter.
Okay.
So then fold it once more,
Right.
then unfold.
Okay.
So you want to line this
Uh-huh.
up here, and if you can see it correctly, it's basically a straight line.
Yeah,
That's when you know that you've done it right.
right.
So unfold, fold it back. Here's where it gets tricky. Take this, put it in this pocket, and remember, it's there, so it's the one it's right next to. So just slide that in there. Doesn't matter if it's rough or if it's perfect. And there you go. Your claw. So when you put it on, you don't want to put it through the side holes. there's gonna be a hole at the bottom in which you're supposed to in which you're supposed to put your fingers through.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now, what happens if you have many guests over for dinner? One claw isn't going to be good enough, right? I hope that perhaps you may have thought of that.
3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, yeah, I guess you're right. That's what. These. Okay, where's the oven gloves? Oven mitts.
Yeah. You should never take anything out of the oven without it taking the necessary precautions first.
Kids, don't try this at home.
True. Don't put paper in the oven.
Oops, that's a bit hot. Sorry.
So these are some you prepared ahead of time, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
I put them in the fridge and I just had to bake them a bit.
All right. Cool. It's hot, yeah. So what would you normally serve this with? Maybe caviar?
No, I mostly serve it with a Halloween costume.
Oh, okay.
So if you want, you can use this as like a Freddy Krueger thing.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyway, as soon as I get these off, I'm just gonna wait for them to cool, and I'll get back with you.
Okay.
Okay, guys, all of these is cooled down. Right now, I'll get back to you. I'll just put them on, and I'll put all 10 on, and I'll show you. Okay?
Cool.
Go. Hello. Yeah. So this is what all 10 of them look like.
Looks
yeah.
pretty scary.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. So you can probably scare your sister.
Or what about the dog? What about this old dog? Can you manage to scare him? It helps if the dog can actually see it, I guess.
Yeah.
But anyway, if that was a little sister, I'm sure she would be scared now.
You could probably sneak into her room at night, like.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Anyway, this is video number 1 for my origami class. I'll try and make another video soon about something else. Anyway, until then, peace out.